Hi, this is Les Perrier, and I'm coming to you again with another easy to strum song. Now, this song is not a Hank Williams song like we do so many of them, but this is a song that Hank Williams sang many times. And this is an old spiritual called I'll Fly Away. And we're going to play it in the key of G. Some bright morning when this life is o'er, I'll fly away to a home on God's celestial shore. I'll fly away. I'll fly away, oh glory. I'll fly away. When I die, hallelujah, by and by, I'll fly away. When the shadows of this life have gone, I'll fly away. Like a bird from prison bars I fly, I'll fly away. I'll fly away, oh glory, I'll fly away. When I die, hallelujah, by and by, I'll fly away. There are a couple of more verses, but I think you get the idea. It's the same thing repeated over and over for the next couple of verses. So that is I'll Fly Away, and I hope you have a lot of fun playing that one. And I'll see you next time.